everyone involved in crypto seems to be a millionaire, going from working at McDonald's to buying Lambos and living in Dubai. I mean, it is true that there are plenty of opportunities to make money in crypto, but most of them require money that you could invest. But what if you have nothing to invest? Crickets in your pocket. Are there any ways to make money? Well, you see, there's one thing that you have to understand. To get something in life, you have to give. And if you have no money to give, there's one thing that everybody has, and it is time. So all these methods to make money that I'm about to share will include a trade-off of your time for money. And if I can be brutally honest, you cannot make millions in crypto without monetary investments or exceptional skills. So all these ways to make money that I'll share can provide you an extra cash that you can then wisely invest and grow your capital. By the way, if you don't know what crypto to invest into, then I'll highly recommend you join my free Discord group where I share my investment strategies. And now let's get to the main topic and reveal 4 ways that you can make money in crypto with $0 down. The very first way to make money in crypto, which has the biggest upside potential, meaning you can make thousands doing it, is called airdrop farming. To explain it simply, when a new project is launching, they need several things for a successful launch. First being they need to make sure their system is working flawlessly, and second thing being they need people to know about the project. So after raising millions to build and launch a project, in many cases such crypto companies are willing to give free tokens to people who are willing to test their project and participate in social tasks such as following their social media, posting about them, and so on. So basically the community gets rewarded for being early users of the project. It sounds great, but wouldn't great projects have hype and great systems in place already before launching? It begs the question, why would they need early users to do that work for them? Actually, many well-known crypto projects had an airdrops just because of how effective it is. Projects such as Uniswap, Solana, and many more, which are now one of the biggest projects on blockchain, did airdrops to early users. As an example, Uniswap airdropped 400 tokens to early users for completing super simple tasks such as connecting your wallet, making small transactions, and similar tasks. And hear me out on this. At the peak of Uniswap token price, that 400 token airdrop was worth over $16,000. The best thing is that there are plenty of new projects launching, and there are several websites where you can find them, one of them being DeFi Llama. Another way to find good opportunities of airdrops and get real-time feedback on projects are looking on X, better known as Twitter probably, because you can find plenty of accounts that are sharing step-by-step guides how to claim those airdrops, so it has never been this easy to get airdrops. The second way to make money in crypto, which is very similar to the first one but requires even less steps, is reward hunting on exchanges. You see, usually when a new token is getting listed on a major exchange, they want to bring volume and awareness to the token. So they are rewarding early traders, and that usually is done by collaborating with exchanges. And the best thing is that in most cases, you do not need to hold their token. Let me share an example. Not so long ago, Bybit exchange announced that you can get rewarded up to 1,000 SHRAP tokens, which at the announcement date was worth around $120. But you know what's good about crypto is that good projects are increasing in price. So that 1,000 of SHRAP token would be worth around 300 right now, and might be even worth more in the future. So for simple people like you and me to be eligible to get rewards like that, in this case, all you needed to do is deposit $100 on Bybit exchange, buy $100 worth of SHRAP token, and you could immediately sell it back to get your $100 back. So in the end, you just made a simple transaction that takes like 2 minutes, and you are eligible to get SHRAP token for completing a simple buy-sell transaction. The good thing is that you can do this over multiple exchanges, since major exchanges have such rewards very often, and it doesn't require you to risk your money. If you ask me, my suggestion would be don't use small exchanges for such events. Use exchanges such as Binance, Bybit, BingX, BitGet, because those are prominent exchanges and projects listed on there usually have a bigger upside potential. You can find the links to those exchanges down below in the description, and you can even get sign-up bonuses using my links. Moving on to the third way how you can make money in the crypto space. This one is for the gamers who want to enjoy their time gaming and on top of that make money. Just a fair warning, it is very unlikely you can make thousands a month doing it like you can with previously mentioned methods, but you can still make money. And the thing I'm talking about is play to earn games. I mean, if you check on YouTube, make money playing games, there are countless videos of people claiming you can make anywhere from $50 to $100 a day playing games. Honestly, I don't know if you can make that kind of money, but I'm sure you can still end up with a profit. And most of these games work in this way. So you download the game either on your mobile or PC, and in the game they have reward system for completing tasks such as leveling up, completing missions, and so on. Usually reward is their native token, so you get their native token, which usually fluctuates in price, and in my opinion, this is one of the most overlooked ways to play games just because how early we are in the games built on blockchain. Just imagine some of those games becoming as popular as Fortnite and how much their token would be worth. Not to mention that you can get rewarded with skins, NFTs, and similar things for playing these games, which can be sold for thousands or even more if a game goes mainstream. But at the end of the day, if you enjoy playing games, then why not make money while doing that? And I know you might be asking, where can I find these games? So there are several websites that share such information, one of them being playtoearn.net, and another way to find the most profitable games are just by using YouTube, since there are many people who talk about them and have more experience in play to earn games, so that would be the ideal starting point. And the last way on how you can make money and get paid in crypto without any investments is get paid to participate websites. One of the most famous ones is freecash.com. The good thing about it is that you are aware of how much you will get paid for each completed tasks, as well as they have many different tasks such as signing up on a trial on different apps, downloading a game, testing it out, reaching different levels, and so on. So you have a great selection of choices that can make you money, but if I can be completely honest, the downside is that it's not gonna make you a lot of money, and you could make a lot of money if you put that time in learning a new skill that is guaranteed to make you money all your life, such as sales, trading, marketing. Those are lifetime skills that will be relevant throughout time. And if you want to learn how to trade crypto and make money, I suggest you to join my free Discord group. That would be a good starting point. You can find the link down below in the description. And lastly, in my opinion, if you want to get more involved in crypto space and see how everything works, how different projects launches, what projects have potential and what not, then farming airdrops is one of the best ways to start, because not only you're learning about entire blockchain system, but on top of that you are getting paid for participation. And I think that could be a great starting point in building your crypto portfolio. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them. See you soon.